Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites: battery above 20% and a steady Wi-Fi connection, because the setup may download files. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps. Make sure system apps are visible so you can find Android Setup. Next, tap Android Setup, choose Storage and Clear Cache. This removes temporary errors. If the notification persists, also tap Clear Data. Be aware this resets the wizard state, which is necessary, before forcing a fresh run of the setup process. Now handle permissions and background controls. Go to Android Setup and grant required permissions like storage and install unknown apps so the wizard can access files and update. Then open battery settings and exclude Android Setup and related services from optimization. Otherwise, the system may kill the process mid-task. If the notification links to account sync failures, force stop Google Play services, clear its cache, then restart the phone. This forces a new handshake. After reboot, launch setup manually and follow prompts to complete initialization. Finish by rebooting and launching the setup wizard manually to confirm the notification disappears. Make sure you complete each screen so the system flags the setup as done. If the notification remains, create a new local user and run the setup under that profile. This isolates account or profile corruption. If that fails, back up photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset from Settings right arrow system. This resolves persistent setup errors. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit errors, check logcache.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.